Tired of seeing your savings sit in a standard account, earning next to nothing? Have you heard of high-yield savings accounts and wondered if they're a good fit for you, but the whole online bank thing feels a bit intimidating? If so, you're not alone. Many people are curious about how to make their money work harder but don't know where to start. Today, we're diving into BrioDirect, an online-only bank known for its competitive rates, and breaking down exactly how it works for beginners. So, what is BrioDirect? Think of it as the online-only brand of Webster Bank. This means it offers the security of an FDIC-insured institution with the flexibility and high returns of a digital-first bank. They specialize in two main products, a high-yield savings account and certificates of deposit, or CDs. Let's start with the high-yield savings account. This is a great choice for your emergency fund or any savings goal you're working toward. The biggest benefit is the high annual percentage yield, or APY, which is significantly higher than what you'd get at a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. While the exact rate can change, it's designed to be competitive. To open an account, you'll need to make a minimum deposit of $5,000, but there are no monthly maintenance fees. Next up are the certificates of deposit. A CD is a great option if you have money you know you won't need for a fixed period. You deposit a set amount of money for a specific term, like 12 months or 24 months, and in return, you get a fixed interest rate that is often higher than a savings account. It's a low-risk way to grow your money because the rate is locked in. Just remember, there are penalties for early withdrawal, so be sure you're comfortable leaving the money untouched for the entire term. Opening an account is simple and can be done entirely online. You'll need some basic personal information, a government-issued ID, and your social security number. Once your account is open, you can manage your money through their website or the BrioDirect mobile app. From there, you can easily transfer funds between your BrioDirect account and an external bank account. So, for beginners, BrioDirect offers a straightforward path to higher earnings on your savings. You get the convenience of online banking, competitive rates that outpace traditional accounts, and the security of a well-established bank. It's a simple, effective way to get your money to start working for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.